Replacing the air filter for the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport and the Ford Escape with a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine is an easy job, which can be done in less than 5 minutes and requires no tools. Before you begin, be sure the car is parked safely and is turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other components nearby. The air filter element is easily located in a large filter box assembly which is just ahead of the 12-volt battery on the driver's side. Removing the filter begins by removing the 2 plastic clips on the sides of the air filter box and then gently lifting it up. There are 2 tabs holding it in place on the engine side of the box cover, and you can simply pull it up and away without removing the hose from it. Remove the old filter element by simply reaching in and pulling it out. Replacing the filter element is done by reversing the order of the previous tasks. Be sure to align the 2 tabs on the engine side of the box cover to assure proper fit and seal with the filter element. Once in place, simply reattach the 2 plastic clips. That's it, you're done. Please see our full engine bay tour and maintenance outline video linked at the right, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.